Okay, so today we went to the Secretary of Human and Social Development in the municipality of Garcia because we wanted to ask them how we could get in contact with a community that is isolated from the municipality of Garcia, because we wanted to give them our services that we have, which is the availability to have a filter that purifies water. So we went there and we talked to the ones that were in charge, and we talked to them about our idea and what we wanted to do. And they told us that a lot of communities in the outside of Garcia were having the same issue, which was that the municipality of Garcia was giving them and providing them with water, which is free, in a water tank. But what happens is that these people don't know if the water is actually purified, or if it's potable, or if it's even like clean. It's pure, it's like transparent water, you can see it through, but at the same time you have to make a test to see if it's actually pure and it's clean and safe to drink. So basically we talked to them and they took us to some communities, and we were there and we had already prepared a survey. So basically these are the questions that we asked.
Okay, so the first question that we asked was, where do you get your water from? And 31% said from a water tank that the Garcia community provides. And the other 58% said that it got it from a water jug from a store. So you go to the OXXO and buy a water jug. And this is a very big problem because these people are not, they do not have a lot of money, so wasting money on water jugs is not very efficient for them if the Garcia community is already providing them with water, but they don't have the means to purify it because it is very unclean. The second question that we asked was, is your water clean and safe? And not to our, we already knew this answer, but 54% of them said no, and 22% of them said yes. And do you guys use any purification system? 85% of them do not use any purification system, while only 10% of them do. So only 10% of them that are drinking water are actually drinking purable water. And the last question that we have a 100% yes is, do you think it is important to purify water? Everyone thinks it would be important to purify the Garcia water.
Okay, so after analyzing all of these results, we think that our idea is super beneficial for this type of communities, because not only this community is facing this problem, a lot of communities in the outside of Garcia are facing the same problem, that they have water but it's not clean. So our idea, which is to buy a truck, is that we're gonna buy a truck and we're gonna export one filter from NGO, which is a non-profitable organization, and we're gonna buy this filter, bring it to Monterrey, and what we're gonna be doing is buy also 2 containers, one that is gonna be having the dirty water, the filter in the middle, which is gonna have 2 hoses. One hose is gonna be in the dirty water, and the other hose is gonna be pouring out the now purified water, so that we can, with the truck, go to different communities and provide them the water that Garcia is right now, the municipality, providing to them. So they're providing the water, but it's not clean. So we already talked to a municipality of Garcia, and with their water, they're gonna give it to us so that we can purify the water and take it to these communities. All of the expenses are gonna be paid by the municipality of Garcia, because they're already wasting money, well, not wasting money, but they're investing money in these communities by providing them with this water that is not that clean.